Is this cool?
Tunnel.
You what?
I will go in the tunnel.
You don't want to go in the tunnel?
No.
Or you do want to go in the tunnel?
I'm going to go.
You want to go in the door? Okay, go. I'm following you right behind you.
Bubba. How much snow it is?
It's definitely slushier.
Yeah.
More of a workout. That's for sure.
Definitely thawing out. Don't break it, Lily.
Cheese.
The mountains. There they are. In all their glory.